Hello and welcome to another video on DIY crafting ideas for your playscale dollhouse diorama. In this video we will be looking at this item. I had shown it in my other video and it's like a file thing for your top of your desk or something, and I forgot I didn't show how I actually made it. So I had all these pieces that were about basically the same size, and I glued two or three of them together to make the base, and then these are going to be the dividers for it. So I just needed the base, the front, the middle, and then the back piece. It has another board attached to it to make it taller. And this is how it looks. I'm still debating over if I want to paint it or not. Not really sure. The color exactly. Maybe teal, maybe white. And these little jars I saw in a magazine. I get a lot of ideas from magazines, so I thought they would look really cute. They go on a desk. Now for playscale size, you would need the smallest jars you can find. So I found these that were very tiny in the jewelry department. If you look on my other channel, I show where I got them from. And they are so tiny. As you can see, compared to this file divider, they look like good size for a desk. So I will be using these and most likely putting like pretend paper inside to make it look like there's stationery on top. I think I'm going to use 4 of them instead of, they have 3, but I think I'm going to use 4, and I don't know if I'm going to use corks exactly. Maybe I'll use something else to use as the tops. I'll think about it. I'm debating over it, but I don't know if I have another video showing how I use different lids instead of corks, because corks can look a little outdated, more in the rustic feel, and that's not what I want. So this is a little basket. Isn't it so cute? It's a little woven basket, and I thought it would be a really cute basket for the floor in magazines. But then I thought, oh no, look, you could barely see the magazines in there. So I decided to put a little piece of like foam, a block foam, inside at the bottom, like so. And then I think I might be able to see the magazines better. Yes, look at that. They look so much better and not sunken in all the way down to the bottom. I'm gonna keep it like this. I like it like that. I like how you can see like the Better Homes and Gardens, and then the family circle. That's so cute. I love that. I show how I made these magazines in another video. So this is the second shelf of that shelf of those cubes that I put up, and it's pure white, but I put in at the back like an aqua color plaid print at the back. It's scrapbooking paper, so I went ahead and put that as a back wall. And we're gonna need lights in here, so I didn't really know what lights to use, but I did have some lights from the Dollar Tree, so I decided to use this duct tape roll. It's a pretty thick one, but I cut it in half because I needed 2 of them. And I'm going to use this clear plastic. I show where I get in my other channel. And I'm just going to use this like a strip of it to wrap around this tube that I had cut, the tape tube. After I glued one side, and then I'm going to wrap it around like so. So that way there's a little bit of clear on the side of it. So look, I made one already, and I'm just waiting for that to dry. Now I'm going to make the other one. Okay, now I'm just going to explain what happened here because I lost the footage of me actually making it. The square there is a piece of contact paper that was stuck onto the roof. Then I glued onto that an aqua color straw to make it look as if the lamp is hanging from the roof, and I glued that onto the actual lamp part. The lights are in there. This is a piece of white contact paper, so it has a little bit of a shine to it. So I purposely did not use white paper. And this, at the bottom of the lamp, the part that faces down where the people are, is a clear piece of that same paper that I told you I used to wrap around the lamp. So to give it kind of like a little glow. And that's the way it looks. Now this is just to extend the floor. A thick piece of cardboard that I got from shipping packaging of a furniture piece. So I covered it with poster board, and then I'm covering it with white contact paper. So I covered the top side, and then I also covered the bottom side of it as well. That's the bottom, and that's the top. This is the floor, and it's gonna go all the way through to the other side too, the other room that I'm gonna make. So that's how it looks after I stick it down. It is a bit lumpy here, but it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna be putting on a rug anyways that I had chosen to put into this room. It's a gray fabric. And this is gonna be my side wall to the right side of me. Left side. It has a little groove in it to sit on that extra flooring that I added. And I just used double-sided tape and stick that down. And there it is. And this is for the right side to divide the other room. So I had chosen this paper to be the focal wall or feature wall of the office because the back wall is going to be covered by a large piece of furniture. So here's how it looks. The lights, that lights cable is hidden behind the focal wall paper. And the other side, we're just going to get ready to add our window. I don't know about the flooring part. I might just leave it like that or put a baseboard. This is a gray fabric carpet. I wanted to put this in here because I like the way it looks. It looks like a little bit like a suede design. It is a woven fabric on the underside. So I'm just going to go ahead and use double-sided tape to stick it in through the whole room. And it'll cover all the floor. And I really love how that looks. It looks really good. I didn't want the floor to stand out. I wanted more of the walls to stand out with all the other items that are in it. So I wanted the floor to be a basic color. Here I glued in the curtain rod holder. So that's the curtain rod holder. It looks a little slanted, but I think it's straight. I think it just looks slanted. Added the picture window that I had made in another video, and it's showing that I see that black wire, so I decided to cover it up with some white contact paper to cover that up so you can't see it. Now it doesn't show up so boldly, and I think I like it better like that. And I added the curtains. I'm not sure if I'm liking these curtains now. I don't like the way this one on the left is hanging. Do you think I should change it? I don't know. It's just making me kind of weirded out by the way it is. So I'm just gonna put in the batteries now, so that way I can get ready to add all of the furniture and decorations. Be sure to check out my other channel so that way you can see everything that I put inside this beautiful office that I've created with extra square footage. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with another video for you. Until then, you can check out one of these videos.